Hello there! Have you ever wondered how can you reduce plastic waste in your kitchen? Well, look no further than beeswax wraps, a sustainable kitchen revolution. This is a reusable, compostable, and convenient alternative to storing food as opposed to plastic wraps such as cling film you see in almost every household. So, you might be wondering how to use beeswax wraps to store food. Well, for meals that you just can't finish during dinner or lunch, lay a beeswax wrap over a plate or a bowl and gently press around the edges to create a tight and secure seal. On the other hand, snacks can be also stored too by folding the beeswax wrap into a little baggie and fill your snacks and then fold over the top flap and squeeze the bag softly. So you may be catching yourself wondering, why is compostable important? It is kinder and gentler on the environment as it is beneficial to natural materials. On the other hand, it takes a shorter time to decompose, unlike plastic wraps which take years instead of months like reusable food wraps.
Next will be how to make a beeswax wraps.
You will need 100% cotton cloth, 17.5 pine resin, 3 tablespoons of jojoba or coconut oil, and 50 grams of beeswax. Weigh the pine resin to be 17.5 grams. Use a pestle and mortar to break up the pine resin until it is fine dust. Empty the resin dust into the jar and add the jojoba oil. Break up or grate the beeswax and add this mixture. Place the jar into a double boiler and heat it up for 30 to 40 minutes and stir occasionally. Cut the cotton fabric into useful size shapes and spread the mixture around the fabric. Remember, not too much and not too little.
Next, place a piece of parchment paper on top of the beeswax wrap and press it to make the paper stay in place. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius and bake the beeswax wrap for 2 minutes. This is to distribute the wax evenly across the wrap. Alternatively, you can also iron it at medium settings to achieve the same thing. Finally, swing the beeswax wraps to let it cool and dry. There you have it! You have successfully made your very own beeswax wraps for you to store food with. Congratulations! Now that you've learned how to make your own beeswax wraps, we have to take care of it. Proper care for your beeswax wraps will be gently washing it in cool water with a mild soap and rinsing it. Make sure do not twist or wring the wrap, but instead hang or lay it flat to let dry. Don't forget to fold and store your beeswax wraps in a cool place too. Now, what are the pros and cons of this product? The pros for using reusable food wraps are that food stays fresh for longer as it is more breathable than plastic. Try wrapping a lemon, cheese or half an avocado or onion. You'll be surprised at how long it stays fresh. Other than that, it saves you money as you don't have to keep buying new plastic wraps and beeswax wraps can last up to a year. Not to mention, it is also easy to use and care for them as they come in different sizes and are easy to clean. And of course, it is also biodegradable and reusable. Beeswax wraps can simply be buried or compost and can be even used as a fire starter. Another thing is, it can be refreshed by using a beeswax block. As such, this makes beeswax wrap beneficial to the environment as it reduces waste, and the best part is, it is made from chemical-free natural ingredients.
Now, let's talk about the cons of beeswax wraps. Individuals with severe allergies to bees or pollen, as well as those with a history of eczema, should be cautious when using beeswax wraps. Beeswax wraps contain allergens, which are beeswax, propolis, rosin, which could cause allergic contact of dermatitis, and jojoba oil, which can trigger severe nut allergies. Other considerations include eczema history, honey allergy, and traces of pesticides. Beeswax wraps are also not suitable for all kinds of food, which are raw meat or hot items. It also produces a bad odor during first use, where your beeswax smell when you first open. Not forgetting, the effectiveness of beeswax wraps will be lost over time. It will be less sticky after about a year. Now we have come into the conclusion. Why should we replace plastic wraps with beeswax wraps? First of all, it helps reduces the number of plastic waste. Second, they break down naturally. Third, it is an effective practice to reduce monthly expenses.